Basically, for today, the topic is that why we need to upgrade ourselves as per the time. So before I'm just gonna ask this question. I just wanted to ask one thing: that what is the meaning of upgradation in your language or in your term?
Okay, very good question.
Yep. Thank you.
Upgrade, like suppose, according to me, what I feel, like
Yes.
in our scenario, if we will see that if every level of our life demands a new version in us, like
Right.
for
Right.
example, if we will see what is upgradation, like you have asked, na, if we will see, for example, like suppose you will go to any showroom. So if you want a new mobile, so what you will ask the shopkeeper? You will ask कि भैया latest वाला दिखाना. I want the
Right.
latest version. You will not go with whether he is having a sale. He will ask you, sir, this is good one. It is having a 50% off. Then also you will say, भैया, what I will do with this? Because it is not an upgraded one. Because you want
Right.
the
Right.
features. Like abhi we are living in a scenario 5G has also launched. So we will look for that. Ki we will take a mobile in which we can use 5G SIM also. This is known as upgradation.
100%.
This is the main point. And secondly, suppose suppose we are not going to upgrade ourselves. Like suppose I am sitting with you and
Yep.
I will not update. Let's say I will say ki I will not change myself. Why should I change myself? What is the reason? Because
Yep.
I'm happy. But the reason of upgradation is like that. Suppose if you will not upgrade yourself, that you then you are not going to live with in this beautiful world, or you are unable to survive with the youngsters, whatever they are following. Like for example, we will take a small example only. Like suppose we are sitting in a party. Like nowadays, very common to have a hookah or so many drinks. Like we are going to the parties. It's very common. But suppose my son, I'm giving an example of my son. Like Abhi, he is very small, and after some days, he will tell me, "Ki Mama, you know nowadays it is going on." So I will tell him definitely that what is right and what you have to do. But if I will directly say, no, no, beta, it's very bad. So what he will do, he will having a question, another question in my mind. Like the mama is saying, no, it means something suspense in that. I will definitely go and try it. The reason is this. It happens with everyone.
Right.
Like suppose
Yeah.
in my childhood, I am remembering my days when my mama used to say कि बेटा इस box को छूना नहीं. Please don't touch in my absence. So what I used to मतलब there was enthusiasm in myself that something is mama is hiding. It means I have to go
Yeah.
and have a glance what is going on. So it's better to tell everything, whatever is good or bad, you have to accept and tell. You should have to tell the drawbacks also. Like abhi because of online classes, every child is having a gadget, so we can tell them. Like suppose we are having a Wi-Fi connection also, and it's not possible ki we can have a glance on them every time what they are doing. But instead of having a glance, we should tell them everything. We should tell them the merits and demerits of everything. So this is also upgradation in ourselves. Like suppose if I will not upgrade, I am not aware with everything, then what I will do? But I will start shouting
Yeah.
without knowing what he is doing. Like today nowadays, YouTuber. Everybody wants to be
Yeah.
a YouTuber. Everybody wants.
Right.
And without
Right.
knowing, I can't judge a book because many are earning
100%.
too much. They are I also sometimes my son is very crazy for YouTube channel. Like every time he is just playing the YouTube and keep on watching what they are doing, how they are following, what how many which type of camera they are using for making the YouTube channels, and what are the gadgets they are using. So I also usually used to sit with them. Then I used to tell him, beta, abhi this is the time that you have to go ahead with your studies, because without studies you are unable to do anything. It is good if you're following, maybe you will do something wonder, you are going to get me wondered while doing something new. It's good, but don't be like that ki you will get engrossed in that only and just forget everything. So see, instead of telling them ki this is not good, or instead of shouting on them, we should keep on telling them ki beta, this is the drawbacks of this is this, and the uses of the merits of using this is this. So everything is,
Right.
nothing
Right.
is good or bad in this world, but thinking makes it so. So this is the reason we should have to be very frank and prompt with them on everything. So this is only upgradation. Like suppose whatever we are using, So it's not in the field of that only we should have to take the higher education, then only we are going to be upgraded. No. Suppose during like I am not a good cook, but during this pandemic, I learned so many new things. So this is also upgradation for me that I learned something new. This is also updation for me. So in a small sense also we can make ourselves upgraded. So
Right.
according to me, though I feel like this.
हाँ, it's really really great. I mean, one thing that you have talked like जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि ये चीज नहीं करना तो हमारा माइंड वहीं पे ज्यादा लाइक वो हो जाता है कि नहीं मेरे को तो फिर तो ये करना ही है, मम्मा
हाँ,
ने बोला है
definitely.
किसी ने बोला नहीं करना तो फिर हमारा लाइक माइंड ही उस डायरेक्शन में काम करनी
It
व्हाई माय मॉम
happens.
लाइक सेड कि यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट थिंग एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग कि या डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू से द बोथ द थिंग लाइक पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड नेगेटिव साइड ताकि हम सिर्फ ये ना बोले कि नहीं करना है या सिर्फ करना ही
Hmm.
करना है लाइक
No,
व्हेन
we should have to
जब हम
tell them everything. Then ball is in their court. What they have to do, they have
राइट
to decide. We
राइट
don't
राइट
force. We can't force anyone.
100%। दैट्स हाउ मतलब एक सेल्फ अवेयरनेस का जो एक पार्ट होता है वो बच्चा समझेगा कि हाँ मेरे को ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए। राइट हम यहाँ पे फोर्स नहीं कर रहे कि यही करना है ये नहीं करना है। राइट दैट्स रियली रियली अ ग्रेट स्ट्रैटेजी नॉट स्ट्रैटेजी इवन इट्स लाइक saying the thing as it is, right? Okay, so next thing like I would like to ask that like as in your point of view this is the like really great meaning of you can say that upgradation and what you have like what are the things that you have upgraded inside you during this lockdown or this COVID-19 period?
Cool. I am a good learner. I love
Yeah.
learning. And this is the reason I am here today. So during this
Yeah.
pandemic, I got a chance to explore myself. As I already shared in the last interview also, that I
Yes.
started my own online classes and I am working in a school also as a teacher. So during working as a teacher also, I learned so many things. There is no concern that what we are getting at in this present scenario, but I learned a lot. Like I learned how to deal with the Zoom application, how to go with the Google Meet, and how to go with the Microsoft Teams. Secondly, I was not knowing Hindi typing. Now I am able to do Hindi typing also, and I am also able to make any presentation on any topic within an half an hour, 30 to 40 minutes. Whatever
Wow.
the topic you will allot, I am matlab just within a matlab agar it is very big topic, then also I will take only 1 hour, not more than that. तो
Wow.
really I am very thankful to God. कहते हैं ना जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, whatever it becomes
Right.
because of good only. So really I am
Right.
blessed that I got an opportunity to enhance myself, to upgrade myself in this
Okay.
scenario. And I'll also just like I am taking my online classes, so I got connected with I think near about 100 people at present time till present time. So it's very a big opportunity for me that I am connected not only from my Bhopal where I am residing. I got an opportunity to connect with Jaipur, Ludhiana, Surat, Lucknow, Pune, Raebareli, and there are so many places I'm not getting the name, but really I am very Jaipur. So really I'm very much blessed that while sitting at home, like I was having a dream in my mind that one day I will open my own classes. So I was looking, sometimes I was thinking how it's possible because I'm having a family also and I'm working in a school also, which I don't want to leave. But during this pandemic, I got an opportunity. Really, I'm very thankful to God that God had given me a second chance to explore myself. So really, it's a big achievement for me. And even I also enrolled myself in online coaching. I am also taking my own classes for PhD. I
Wow.
got connected with, I also got an opportunity. Like I was not able to take out the time for my studies, but because of this online, I got an opportunity to get connected with my coaching classes also. Like I am taking my own classes, so hopefully very soon I am able to clear out my NET exam. So really, it's
Wow.
a big achievement for me.
Yes, 100%, ma'am.
And even we are
It's
saving
really
time also while attending
right.
online classes.
Right, 100%. And it's really great, ma'am.
And
One thing
secondly,
like
one more
when,
important thing that I got
yep,
connected with you also. See, I don't have to go anywhere. While sitting at home
yeah,
only, we are having a conversation. So see, this is also
right, right, 100%. Like a great advantage of like upgrading ourselves. Like we are connecting with a lot more people with a great mindset. Like even like when I just get enrolled for the communication mastery course, then I start like doing networking with the different people, because I at the beginning I don't wanted to connect because I feel क्यों कनेक्ट होना, एक नया लोग होगा जो स्ट्रेंजर होगा मेरे लिए, मैं जानता भी नहीं, मैं उनसे क्या बात करूंगा. But then I realizes like I have to like when I expand my you can say networking part, तो ना बहुत सारी चीजें मैं नहीं जानता वो सीखने को मिलेगा, राइट. और भी बहुत सारी, जैसे कि एक होता है ना कि हम अपने सेम वी अट्रैक्ट द सेम काइंड ऑफ पर्सनालिटी और सेम काइंड ऑफ माइंड से द पर्सनालिटी वी अट्रैक्ट. तो वो चीजें मैंने देखा कि हाँ कि मतलब मेरे सराउंडिंग में जो लोग कनेक्ट हुए ऑलमोस्ट उनका भी माइंड से ऑलमोस्ट मतलब अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है इवन.